Welcome to LyfePal, your gateway to endless possibilities. Let's embark on a journey of discovery and connection together. To get started on LyfePal, the first step is to register. To do so, enter your first name and last name. Choose a username. Input your email address and create a password. Next, select your gender, provide your birth date, and check the box to agree to the terms. Once all fields are completed, click on the Sign Up button. A verification email will be sent to the provided email address. Simply navigate to your email inbox and log in through the provided link. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and logged in. Now, to proceed further, start by filling out additional information. Upload your profile picture, specify your location, provide details about your work, and share information about your education. Once everything is filled out, click Next. You can also add friends at this stage. Upon completion, you will land on the main page of LyfePal. Here, you can explore various posts on the newsfeed from different users. Additionally, navigate to the People section in the left navigation bar to find and connect with other users. You can filter your search criteria to find specific individuals. Next, in the Pages section, you'll find various pages categorized by interests. You can explore existing pages or create your own. Similarly, in the Groups section, feel free to join existing groups or create your own based on your interests. Next, in the Events section, you'll find all upcoming events where you can show your interest or create your own event. Now here is a Watch section. You'll find a plethora of videos posted by users. Next, visit the Blogs page to read blogs on different topics posted by various users. In the Fund section, you can discover and donate funds, as well as raise funds for your projects. Lastly, explore the Jobs section to find different job opportunities. That's it for the walkthrough. Enjoy your experience on LyfePal.